Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have the Trendmood box and this is a volume 4. This one was a little easier to get than the others. The others you had to get within 10 minutes. This one you had about a half an hour. So let's get into it and see what we got. Trendmood is not technically a subscription box. It comes out periodically. I think she's been doing it more than once a month actually, because we've had like 4 volumes and the Ulla Henriksen takeover also. So she's done 5 and I don't think it's been anywhere near 5 months. Each time it comes out, it generally has a different price. I think this one was 58. I want to say 58. Ulla was 59. One of them I think was $38. I missed that one. That was the one that I missed when I was in Disney World. So I didn't get volume 1. I got volume 2 and I have a video if you want to go see it. I missed volume 3. I got the Ulla Henriksen one, and that's my giveaway. And if you haven't entered the giveaway, I'll put a card here. Go over and enter my 5K giveaway. Yay! And then this is volume 4. And another thing about the Trendmood box is when we order it, we know exactly what we're getting. She shows us everything we're going to get, tells us how much it costs, and if you want it, you just go on and try and get it. That has become quite the challenge. When we open it up, it is so pretty and purple. You've got a QR code where you can scan it and find out anything you want to find out about the products inside. It's all wrapped up so pretty and purple. Try to get in here. And it's wrapped up so nicely. This is what it looks like. Let's just reach right in and see what I've got. Right on top, Drama Queen. This is going to be highlighters. It says a Drama Queen, Glow Like a Queen, and it's by Kim Chi Chic. That's what it looks like. The Unboring Highlight Palette. All right, and when we take it out, this is what it looks like. It's got Drama Queen in letters falling down with all the other letters. And then this side looks just like the box. And when we open it up, look how pretty. Interesting colors. Unboring, right? So unboring. Green and pink and yellow. I will definitely probably lean harder on this side of the highlighters, but these will be fun to play with. And depending on their texture, they might be good eyeshadows. I am going to swatch these, but I'm going to do it with a brush because with everything that we've got going on, for whatever reason, I have decided I feel more comfortable if I get in here, not with my fingers, although I do have a hand sanitizer sitting right here that I'm using the heck out of. Okay, let's go lightest to darkest. So I'll do the left side first. This might be a little hard to see. That's the thing about swatching with a brush is you really get a truer sense of the application. Oop, little kick up in that darker color just for the record. Boy, I hope you can tell it all. I don't think you can. I did the lightest, the medium, and the darkest here. But see how shiny my hand is? That's going to be fun either way. I hope that gave you a little bit of the color. I cleaned that off. Let's try the other 3 colors. Maybe those fun colors will shine through a little more. So we'll do the yellow. Oh yeah, definitely shining through a little more. There's the yellow. Maybe if I show them individually, it'll also be easier to discern. This is the pinkier, yeah, I was going to say pinkier orange, but definitely pinkier. Wow, that is so fun. And then the green. This is definitely probably going to be an eyeshadow for me. I'm not sure, other than maybe Halloween when I would actually want that color on my cheeks. But there we go. That's the yellow, the pink, and the green. So much fun. We don't receive any paperwork with this box, so we just kind of have to read it off the back unless you do the QR code. But what we learned from the back of it is these are Spread Like Butter, Smooth as Silk, Cinnamon Glaze, Green with Envy, Flushed Doll, and Golden Queen. Well, those will be super fun to play with. All right, let's see what else is in here. I'll tell you what, I just wiped off my hand so that as we move forward, if I want to use my hand again, I can. And that Flushed Doll, I don't know if you can tell, see that? It's got like a little bit of pink residue in it. I think that one's going to have some staying powder. Next, I have the First Aid Beauty Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen with Zinc Oxide, SPF Broad Spectrum, Oil-Free, Non-Comedogenic, Safe for Sensitive Skin. I am sure this is a lovely product, but I knew going in when I purchased this box, this was not something I was going to be able to use because like all first aid beauty products, it has licorice root in it. And I am that girl who is allergic to licorice root. And I will tell you though, if ever I was looking to push the limits, it is the very last inactive ingredient in this. So I've offered this to my mom if she wants it, but if she doesn't, I will find it another home. This is what the bottle looks like. And of course it is full size. I think everything that comes in this box is always full size. This is 1.5 fluid ounces. I'm not going to open it because I'm not sure if my mom's going to want it or I'm going to want to be able to pass it along, but it is a tinted color. I thought it was going to be just white like sunscreen, but it is a tinted. Does it say that on here? See, it doesn't say that on here. And I saw somebody else do this unboxing and it was tinted. It was more flesh tone. So just FYI. Oh, I found my little troll. I got yellow. There's a little troll in it because of something I'm getting ready to come to. Spoiler alert, troll. I know, you're like, troll? What is that a spoiler for? Troll stuff. Oh look, I found at the bottom, went to the bottom and found information on the Kimchi, the drama queen. Kimchi says, highlighters that leave you shining bright like your future. I've got every color for your everyday needs, whether you want to go subtle or colorful. It says you can use it on your cheeks, brow bones, collarbones, shoulders, bridge of your nose, or just about any place you desire. She did not mention eyes. Wear alone, with blush, or with bronzer. Shine like the queen you are. So that's awesome, and it has an $18 value. I don't have anything about this, so I will try and put the value right here for you. Okay, reaching in next, I have two things from Bite Beauty. We have a Line and Define Lip Primer, and these also I don't have prices on, so I will get you prices on these. That is what the box looks like. And this is, look, I love it how it has a little bite out of the top. That is what that looks like. And when you take it off, it is just a clear pencil. And you just align your lips with it, and it gives you an invisible shield against the bleeding out of lipstick onto your face, which I always thought was ridiculous when I was younger, and now I take quite seriously. You know, things change. Keep your lip color in line. It doesn't really tell us anything else except for it has kiwi and jackfruit extracts in it. So that will be really fun to try. And then we also have from Bite Beauty the Agave Intensive Lip Mask. And this is what this looks like. And in one of our boxes recently, we received the Agave Lip Treatment, which I think is basically this same thing, except for it was in a tub. And this is the same version I have heard, except for they have made it vegan. So yay if you're vegan. The back of the box says, Superfood Succulents in a Does It All Mask for deep hydration and extreme recovery. And it says it has agave nectar and mangosteen extract in it. And this is sealed. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this sealed until I finish the other Bite Agave one that I am using downstairs. But I love these products. Love them. Okay, next I have the Cora Organics Noni Night AHA Resurfacing Serum. And it's good for all skin types, mind, body, and skin. Get the Noni Glow, a powerful certified organic night treatment serum that uses AHAs, BHA, and ferments to help resurface your skin and reduce the appearance of pores, leaving you with a smoother complexion. Thanks to certified organic Noni. I don't know what Noni is. Let me know below if you know what N-O-N-I Noni is. I don't know. Sicilian white grapes, willow bark, lemon peel ferment, and caviar lime. It provides clean, smaller looking pores, powerful antioxidant protection, and a healthy, radiant glow. So I flipped the box one to the side, and look what I found. Feed your skin with products that help detoxify, nourish, and revitalize. Our special ingredient? Noni. It is derived from the noni fruit. It is a powerful superfood and antioxidant containing more than 100 vitamins and minerals and is known for its natural rejuvenating properties. Okay, so here's the thing. Second product in here, lactic acid. That'll eat mom's face off. But seriously, it will give me red bumps like you have never seen. I mean, I will just get red bumps. So guess what we're going to do? a surprise giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. We'll follow all of the rules that we've been following all along since I put up my 5K giveaway. Be entered in my 5K giveaway. I'll put the rest of the instructions below. We'll do this for 3 days again. That's how I've been doing all of my mini giveaways. I'm going to put this up on Wednesday, so we will run it from April 1st, which is I think what Wednesday's date is, to Saturday, April 4th. I think the math on those dates works. I should really bring a calendar up here. This is the second time I've had a problem with this. So I will put the dates below, but I believe that is Saturday, April 4th, and I'll do 5 p.m. Eastern like I always do. To be entered in the giveaway, and when you comment below, just write the word Cora somewhere in your comments, the beginning, the end, the middle, however you'd like to do it. Just work the word Cora in so I know that you want to be entered. Be sure you're entered in my 5K giveaway, and I'll do another drawing on Saturday. I'm really liking these small giveaways. I've already picked one winner for the Tilly. The face mask one, as of when I do this, is still active. I wonder when that ends. I think that ends Thursday. So I also have a giveaway over on my face mask video. And then we'll do this one. This is fun. Anyway, back on track. Let me show you what it looks like. If I can get it out easily without hurting it. The box is a little at the top, but that's fine. And I will just show you. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, there's something else in here for you to try. Let's see what this is. This is the Noni Bright Vitamin C Serum. So you'll get a foil packet of that also. That's awesome. And then this is what this looks like. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I will put down here what the value of this is in case you have any curiosity about that. That'll be fun. Okay, that is safely tucked away and ready to come to somebody. Yay! And also, like I've said in all my other videos, as soon as I can get to the post office. I'm actually trying to work out with stamps.com or something like that if I can do it from my house, which would expedite all of this. But if not, when all of this has settled, I will be making the biggest post office run ever. Okay, next I have with some little troll hair attached. That's kind of sad. 3 troll palettes. And they did a collab with Pure. And I think she did 3 troll palettes in the volume 3 also. And this is the next 3. And we have the Techno, which is the blue one, the World Tour, which is the gold one, and the, let me be very clear on this, Funk, which is the purple one. I will show it to you so you will know. Okay, let's get in these real quick and give them a look-see, maybe a little bit of a swatch with, I have brushes over here for that too. Oh my goodness, with these boxes today, I can't get anything out. Oh, it's sticky. What is that? It feels oddly sticky. If you got these out there, let me know. Does yours feel like grabby, sticky? That's weird. It's kind of, well, I would drag my hand across it and hear it, but a couple of people did not like that when I did it with the Tarte palette. Oh, that's so pretty. I love purples. Of course, we're digging into Funk first. I'm just going to use this card so I can get this up close and show you guys the gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And let's swatch a few of these. Okay, so I just did this with a brush, and I have to tell you, to get in here and to get some color on my brush, I had to get on down in there. And then there was a lot of kick up. I had a lot of fallout. If it plays on my eyes like it played on my hands, this is a do your eyes first, then sweep, then do your face makeup. But those are the colors. They're super pretty once you get them applied. Like this one, that's so gorgeous. So I'm loving the colors. But it was tough to get some color payoff on them. All right, let's try another palette. We're going to move on to World Tour, which is the gold one. Well, let's see what this looks like. That's why they're so hard to get out. Now that I've gotten the other one out, I know. The reason they're so difficult to get out is because they've got that, they're kind of sticky. And by the way, that's what they look like from the front. They've kind of got that, it feels like, oh, this is pretty too. In looking at the piece of plastic that I took off that was protecting it, I get it now. This says classical music is life. So this one is World Tour. Pay attention, Catherine. World Tour Classical. Huh. The other one was World Tour Funk. This is what this palette looks like. So it's very nudie naturally, but these two are kind of gorgeous. But let's see what kind of color payoff we get from them. Ooh, I'm doing the last one on this palette. It's the middle one, and it's gorgeous. So this is this palette. It is lightest, which you probably can't even see. And that's going through what's in the pan. And then this right here is what's in the middle of the pan. So those are pretty, but again, to get that color payoff, I had to dip into each of them a couple of times and really get after it. So these are not going to be super easy palettes to use, I don't think. In all fairness, my hand is not primed. Maybe my hand being primed would make a big difference. And last, we have Techno. So let's get in here and see what this little guy looks like. That's what that looks like from the front. Again, it's got a lot of shiny glitzy going on. Ooh, so pretty. I have hand sanitizer and I keep using it and it's making little pills of sanitizer on my hand. It's weird. That is so pretty, guys. I love that. The middle one is called Mermaid Tails. I'm reading it upside down, but it's called Mermaid Tails. Let's get in here and see what these colors are all about. I have to tell you, applying these colors, at face value, I would have looked at these palettes and I would have said, oh, my favorite's going to be the purple. Hands down, I know me. Trust me, I know me. It's going to be the purple. Nope. But let me show you. I've been doing these and then showing you, but I just did the dark color. And to get that color payoff, can you see the fallout on my hand? So, yeah, I would suggest shadow pre-makeup. All right, let's do the green, the deeper green, and last but not least, this gorgeous middle blue, Mermaid Tails. Yeah, the fallout on this is wow. Oh, and that color doesn't quite translate. I've really been trying not to put my fingers in these, but I suspect it would look different if I used my finger. But these are the colors on my hand. This is that middle one. So it goes a little grayer on your skin, but look at those colors. On face value, I would have thought the purple would be my favorite, but I'm thinking this one's going to be my favorite of these. These colors are fantastic. Okay, so that is our Trendmood box, Volume 4, and I like it. I have to tell you, because I gotta be honest here, I don't know that I would recommend running out to buy these. If you are a super Trolls fan and you are smitten with the Trolls, then I would say go for it. But as far as eyeshadow colors, I'm not sure that this is my favorite formula. I will use them on my eyes and I will get back to you guys and let you know. So in this Volume 4 for $58, we received the Kimchi Drama Queen Highlighters, the First Aid Beauty Weightless Sunscreen, the Bite Line and Define and Lip Treatment, which I am super excited to have, the 3 Troll, look, there's I was telling you they're sticky. Look, I went to pick up this plastic one and it stuck to whatever the top is on these. I don't know what that is, but it's an unusual texture. We received 3 of them. Funk, Techno, and Classical, and it's sticking to everything on my desk. I wonder if I can make them. It's like I'm a magician. Ooh. I just feel like I want to play with them now and see how far I can push this. Okay, stop it, Catherine. We have 3 of the Trolls palettes. Again, I'm going to go ahead and use that Cooped Up in the House story. And last, we have our mini giveaway, which is the Cora Organics AHA Resurfacing Serum. And I found this nice piece of paper that I'll keep to send with it that says, smooth and refine while you sleep. After 4 weeks, 91% noticed pores appeared smaller. 91% noticed the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation were minimized. And 91%, all 91, noticed overall skin appearance more youthful. If you would like to be entered for this giveaway, I have the rules below, but just use the word Cora down below in your comments so that I'll know you want to be entered. And be sure that you are also entered in my 5K giveaway. Okay, so that is it for Trendmood Box Volume 4. Now we wait patiently for Volume 5, but I suspect it might be a while because we haven't heard much, and I suspect we're probably going to have to wait until after all of this has settled. Speaking of which, please be taking care of yourselves out there, guys. Stay safe. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And again, be well. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.